I'm Cassie Lomas and I'm a makeup artist. Now, I've been working in this industry for over 20 years, but the last 10 years there's been a whole load of new buzzwords that we hear all over social media. Now, these are tips and tricks that are actually quite easy to recreate for women of any age, so I'm going to show you how. Amanda, I've used this primer on you. Do you normally use a primer?
I do, but I don't really know what I'm doing with it.
Okay, well these are designed to help your makeup stay longer. They're also going to smooth the skin and fill in any fine lines, so really great for giving you that youthful all over complexion. So I've done your foundation, I've put a little bit of illuminator in there to give us a youthful finish. We've lifted your brows with a little bit of shadow, and you've got some mascara on, and now I'm going to do some contouring and highlighting. Well, basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna shape the face. So contouring generally you would do in the hollows of the cheeks. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a line, and then we're gonna blend it afterwards. You can sometimes do it underneath the jaw if you wanted to.
To get rid of the gels.
I like to use that daily, I have to say. You could potentially put a little bit on your eyes just to get a bit of a socket line in there. And then I like to put the cream on and then blend afterwards. So once you've got your contour in place, I'm going to use a blending brush just to soften all that in. So I'm going to get you to look this way for me. I'm just pushing the product into the skin. And it looks like just a natural definition when you blend it. I'm just going to use an eye contour brush just to blend where we've put the contour in the eye socket.
So is contouring a new thing?
Do you know what? It's actually not. Marilyn Monroe used to contour her face every single day, so it's been going for years, but it's just turned into a huge trend at the moment. So next I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm just going to use the highlighting side of the pen just to draw along the highest points of the cheekbones. And I'm going to put a tiny little bit underneath the brow and over the Cupid's bow. So I'm just going to press and pat the product, and this will blend it into place. I'm just going to use my finger just to pat it in. So have a little look at this contouring, Amanda, and let me know what you think. It's really subtle.
I can see it's added a bit of definition. Yeah, I like it.
I don't want to really add too much powder or anything like that, Amanda, so I'm going to be using a whipped bronzer. Now this is a cream-based product, but it actually dries matte, so it's great if you don't want to use a powder. It gives you the finish that you need to make your makeup last. It's really important that you blend this into the back of your hand first to take off any excess, because a little bit of product goes a really long way. So I'm just going to blend this all over your skin, which is going to give us a really nice golden lift. Look. Yeah.
Oh, I like that, yeah. It's not too full on, is it? It's quite subtle.
Pigments are really on trend at the moment, actually, and basically what they are is a loose eyeshadow. You just want one brush, dip it into the lid of your pigment with a little bit of product in there, and then all I'm going to do is close your eyes and just dust it over the lower lid, and this is going to give us a really, really nice light eyeshadow on the eye in one quick wash. Have a look.
It's lovely. Really like that colour.
I'm going to continue with the Radiance theme, and I'm going to use a Radiance blusher. Now, this is going to help us merge that contour and highlight together. It's a powder, so it's going to set the work that we've already done. This also has a little bit of sheen in it, so it's going to take away the chances of us having any harsh lines. Amanda, have you heard your daughters mention liquid lipstick?
Yes, I haven't got a clue what it's about though.
Okay, well basically it's something that's long lasting and it's going to stay on all day. I'm going to apply this with a brush. So Amanda, do you think you can give your daughters a bit of a run for the money now?
Well, looks good. I shall definitely go in their makeup bags now, have a bit of a play with all their products. Well, I feel like I've really learnt a lot. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video too, and we'll see you on the next one.